Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, and you can do it wherever you want to, actually, in whichever app you want. Just make sure that this app will provide you with the keyboard. So if you've got the keyboard on the screen, for example by using the messages, notes, the browser, whatever, then just enter the settings. Now let's tap on languages and types, and as you can see here, actually this is the list of currently added languages. We've got only English, we've got manage input languages, and we can manage the numbers and symbols. A quick disclaimer: if for some reason you will not find your language, you can always check for the updates just by tapping on the three dots icon. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to simply tap on Manage Input Languages. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. Not all of them are, I would say, defaultly installed on this device, but no worries. If your language is with this kind of icon, just tap on it, then your device will download it and immediately apply. Of course, if they are right here, just find it and tap on the switcher. So let me pick, for example, this one. Just tap on it. As you can see right now, it is active, so we can go back to the previous page. And as you can see, our list just expanded. We've got this the new language added. What's more, we've got an additional option, the language switching method. So we can tap on it, and as you can see, we've got three different options from which we can choose. Actually, two different, and the third option is kind of a combination of both. So we've got the language key, we've got the spacebar swipe, and both of them, and I will pick this option in order to show you how they work. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we've got two differences. So first of all, not the spacebar, because spacebar already had the name of the language, but the language key, so the globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. So currently I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the new language. Alright, let's tap on it again, and again English. And we've got also the second switching method, so the spacebar swipe. Let's try it on. Just swipe on the spacebar, and as you can see, you can really freely change the keyboard layout, which is really cool and useful. So that was actually I was showing you how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it and set only one, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want the one. So get back to the settings and the languages and types. And right here we have to again enter Manage Input Languages. And basically all you have to do is to turn off one of those options. I will pick this one because obviously I have no idea how to use it. So we've got English left. Let's go back again. We've got the English, so just like it was at the very beginning of the video. And as you can see, we cannot find the globe icon. What's more, the spacebar swipe does not work because we've got only English set, so only one language. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.